Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to search people by interest in Badoo. Now let's begin. Simply open up the Badoo application in your mobile device, and do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding how to log in as well. Well, this is the interface of Badoo, and from here, what we need to do is simply hit on Preferences. The button's at the top right next to Boost. Simply click on it, and then the filter page will open up. Well, as you can see, there are lots of filters, and right here, there's something called as Interest. Click on this button right here that says Search, and this will open up. Simply type the interest that you want to search for, and do note that there are other popular interests as well, and do note you can select anyone you wish. I'm simply gonna search for something. Well, as you can see, I searched for games, and these things popped up. I'm simply gonna select any one among them. It's completely up to you. And once you've searched it, click on Apply Changes. And there you go. Well, it looks like there are no people that are a match for me, but in your context, you will definitely find some people who are similar to your interest. Well guys, that's it. That's how we change your interest in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.